What is up, guys? It is another day here out in beautiful Washington. It's really not that pretty. It's just ugly right now where I am. But we're inside the Evo today. I'm going to be installing this Build Boost Performance short shifter. It is basically a replica of the WK Performance shifter, but it is actually made out of pretty good quality. So if you don't want to drop nearly like $600, I think this is like half of that. Is like $300 is what I paid for this, and it looks just as good. It only comes with one shift knob. I do like this one, but I don't think I'm gonna run it because this one's a lot heavier, but we'll see. It should fit. I'm over here watching this Evo 3 documentary. Some asshole did like some AI shit on Gran Turismo and said, oh, it's an Evo 3 or whatever. But let me show you what I think. This is a torque solution short shifter. Let me just put the clutch in and see, because it's actually pretty short. So right there, and then of course reverse, but 3, 4, not that bad. But I'm gonna take this guy off and start putting this guy on, so bear with me. Basically, pop this guy out. I have these guys, so I just wedge them in there and things just come undone, man. And then you just basically plug this guy. So I got that whole shifter box done. My GoPro, or my Insta360, just died, so I'm kind of butthurt about that. But my GoPro, I got the stock shifter box out. It was a pain in the ass because nobody on YouTube tells you that you have to like pry these guys out. So I like pretty much did it myself with a combination of 2 flatheads that I have. They're just down here somewhere. What the fuck? Whatever. Bullshit. And the fucking light turned off. That's fine. Not a big deal. But pretty much you just lift those guys up, and then just pull the whole centerpiece out. God damn. Let me see. Okay, there we go. Stupid parking garage sensor light. So, and then, slide this guy out a little bit to let the new part go in. But let me put the new short shifter in. I had such a good angle too with the S360 down here, but whatever, it died, no biggie. Let me just get this on. I've cut myself because Mitsubishi is kind of like goofy and shit, but whatever. Button this up real quick and Alright guys, so I am driving now. I have to go to AutoZone and buy a bushing that for some reason it didn't come with it, and my spare parts, I don't have one. But this shit feels so good. That's third, fourth. Alright guys, so I got everything fully assembled. I was able to find the 5th gear right there, then 3rd, 4th, gets used to it, but it's pretty good right now. Let me drive it around. Alright guys, so we made it back to base. I was able to fix every single issue that I encountered. For the Evo X at least, this is Evo 4 to Evo X, you have to adjust this little lever to the very lower one so that you have enough throw. It's in here. So you have enough room to put it in reverse. Right there, that's reverse. So we got first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and reverse. And I did not get to wash my car or detail it today because if you look at the weather, it rains here every fucking day. So, but so far, dude, I love this shifter. And it complements the new stage 2 clutch really good. It just, look at that. Okay,